So, hello dear students. Now we will move ahead in the chapter Crop Production and Management for class 8th standard, chapter number 1, and the chapter is of science. So, till now we were discussing about the agricultural practices. The first one, some agricultural practices you have written there, okay? So, first one was the preparation of the soil, which we have done in the previous lecture. So, today we will do the next one, agricultural practices. So, this is number 2, and that is sowing of seeds. That is sowing of seeds. So, this is the next process. So, see, in the first one means where we have prepared the soil. What we have done there, we dig the soil first with the help of the plowshare or with the help of the cultivator, what we call the tractor. With the help of this we dig the soil, and when we dig the soil, then after, with the help of the leveler, we just level the soil. And why we are doing so? We are doing this for loosening the soil. When the soil will be loosening, when the soil will be loosening, then only we can sow the seeds there. If, let's say, this is the soil which is very hard and it is not digged now, it is not digged, very hard soil, and now you are sowing the seeds here, will the seeds grow? The seeds will not be able to grow. The seeds will not be grow into plants, will not. Now when the soil will be loosened, okay, when the soil will be loosened, when we dig the soil and it has been loosened, now the when you will sow the seeds can go down in the soil, and then after they will grow into plants. So that is the reason the first step is very necessary there in the agriculture practices, that is the preparation of the soil. And the second one is sowing of seeds. How do we sow the seeds? Okay, so we sow the seeds with the help of the seed driller. There are the special instrument used for drilling the seeds. Okay, suppose this is the soil and we are throwing the seeds here and there, here and there, here and there, somewhere 2 seeds, somewhere 1 seed, somewhere 2 seeds, somewhere 5 seeds together there. Okay, so the seeds will not be able to grow into plants properly. Why this so? Suppose here you have sown 5-6 seeds in one place, so only one seed will come out, because all the seeds will not get the ample of water, will not get the plenty of water, because each of the seed need water and mineral from the soil. Okay, but if you are sowing many of the seeds at one place, so all the seeds will not be able to get the ample water, means the plenty of water and the minerals, so only one plant will grow up. So this is the reason that seeds are to be sown at proper distances. Like suppose this is the soil, you have to sow the seeds at the proper distance like this. This way you have to sow the seeds. Why we are sowing this so? This is because each of the seeds will get the enough water, ample water and the minerals. Each of the seeds, and each of the seed will grow into plants. If you are not doing so, if you are like sowing the seeds here and there, here and there, here and there, so all the seeds will not be able to grow into plants, because all of the seeds will not be able to get ample of water and minerals. Are you getting this? And for sowing the seeds at proper distances, let's say they at 10 centimeter distances, let's say for sowing the seeds at the proper distances, for doing so we are using the seed driller. What we are using there? Seed driller is the special instrument for this. Okay, this is used for drilling the drilling the seeds at the proper distance, so that they can get the ample of water. Okay, so this you have to write here in the second step, that was sowing the seeds. Are you getting? So let me write here. Soil, when the soil is loosened, then when the soil is loosened, then the seeds are to be sown at proper distances so that each of the seed so that each of the seed get ample water and mineral. And for this seed drillers are used. Seed drillers are used. Are you getting this? Very good. Okay. Now, suppose you have some seeds and you are sowing the seeds at the proper distances. You are sowing the seeds, and still all of the seeds are not grown into plants. Like this seed, this seed, this seed, this all the seeds we have sown in the proper distances, but only suppose like this seed has grown into plants, this not, this has grown into plants, this also, like this not. So some of the seeds are not grown into plants. Why this so? Some of the seeds are grown into plants, but some are not. Why? Still they are at proper distances. All of the seed are getting the ample water, but still not all of the seeds are grown into plants. Only some are grown into plants. What is the reason? The reason is that these seeds are not of good quality. They are bad quality seeds. And the seeds which are grown into plants, they are good quality seeds. Now how to check? How will you check that whether the seeds that you have grown are good quality seeds or the bad one? So for checking the quality of the seeds, there is a special process. Okay, let me tell you the process now. For checking the quality of the seeds. Okay, checking quality of seeds. Okay, so for this what we do, we take a pot like this. Let's say this is the pot, and in this pot we put the seeds. Like suppose I have some seeds, and all the seeds I put here in this pot. Okay, now I put some water there in this pot. This is the water. Now when I put the water into this pot, some of the seeds will come up, some of the seeds will come up, and some of the seed will settle down. And the seeds which have come up, in the pot, that are the damaged seeds, that are the bad quality seeds, that are the damaged seeds. So these are called the damaged seeds, and we separate them and we throw it out. And the seeds which have settled their downside, they are good quality seeds, and we use them for sowing now. Are you getting now how to check the quality of the seeds? This is the process. Okay, so just write here, for checking the quality of the seeds, for checking the quality of the seeds, okay, let me write, for checking the quality of the seeds, we take a pot and we put seeds inside, and then we pour some water into the pot. Then after some of the seeds come up, then we see that the damaged seeds, what we call the bad seeds, the damaged seeds come up and good one settle down. Good one settle down. So this is the process through which we can check the quality of the seeds. Okay dear? Okay then, see you in the next lecture.